Meaning of David Koresh.
David Koresh.
David Koresh.
David Koresh.
David Koresh. David Koresh was an American religious leader who led the Branch Davidians, a splinter group of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. In 1993, he became the center of attention during a 51-day standoff between the group and federal agents in Waco, Texas. The siege ended in a tragic fire that killed Koresh and 76 of his followers, including many women and children. The incident raised questions about government overreach and religious freedom, and remains a controversial moment in American history.